So this is an Ikea FLUGBO, and it is a floor lamp, and we turned it into a smart lamp. That is to say, a lamp which can be turned on off from the internet. And I did that by installing a Sonoff Mini R4 inside here. Basically, you have to carve a little hole inside the plastic, and then you stick the Sonoff in an angled way and do the wiring. I can show you how it works. So this is the side lamp. It works normally with a button. Also, this lamp works with the button, but you can use so the Sonoff Mini R4 is compatible with all assistants like Google Home and Google Assistant. I'm using another tablet because while recording I cannot issue voice commands. Hey Google, spegni luce piantana.
Certo, spengo luce piantana.
The voice commands are in Italian. Hey Google, accendi luce piantana.
Perfetto.
You can do
Accendo luce piantana.
also a mix, so you turn it off with the button and then you turn it on with the voice command. Hey Google, accendi luce piantana.
Perfetto, accendo luce piantana.
Then you turn off with the voice command. Hey Google, spegni luce piantana.
Perfetto.
And you turn it back on with the button. I did that because I didn't want to use Wi-Fi bulbs because they didn't work right in this way, and I wanted to be able to turn it on either by voice commands or by push button. I think it's I didn't find any product like this, a smart lamp for lamp, so I think it could be a good idea for a new product. If you need instruction how to do this, write me and we'll tell you.